Well, hello, how are you all doing? It's been a long time since I last made a video. And today I'm going to make a quick unboxing of two new watches that I have received. And I hope that everything is alright. So I wanted to keep it short and sweet. And let's just start opening the box. I'm a little bit nervous. You already know what it is because you have seen the title of the video. Oh, this is kind of difficult to open, so now I'm going to see that everything is alright. Okay, now here I am opening this, and here is number one. Okay, and here is number two. Yeah, two watches of the same type. Well, what could this be? I hope the video is working because the screen is making some glitches, but okay, there are two watches from the same brand, and let's start, opening the first one. In no particular order. Actually, I don't know which one it is because they are two different colors of the same model of watches. So this is the invoice. I'm going to keep there. Here we have, the two boxes. Let's start with this one, for instance. So, sorry. After the black box, there is a white one. There is this little card. I think this one is new. This is a warranty, 5-year checkup service. We'll check that later with the review. And here is the travel pouch, which I find very useful in these watches. I love these travel pouches. Oh, by the way, I am of course wearing the one of the few 25-36 millimeters black and white Traskas. So one of these is going to substitute this one. I'm probably going to sell this one because I need to fund the watches. And well, let's see what it is. And well, here it is. This is the black one. Yeah, this is going to substitute this one. Now, to begin, I think it really looks nice. I don't know if you are seeing it. Maybe it's a little bit dark. I don't know. I haven't properly set the camera and everything, but well, here it is. It really looks nice with the raised numerals. And the new glass. Really nice. Okay, it's thinner than this one. It has polished sides. Much thinner than this one. With the bracelet, I think the bracelet from the first looks better than the old one. Yeah, it really looks better without the sharp edge that it had. Thicker locks. Yeah, it really looks nice. It's already running with the plastic and everything. I'm going to just put it on. I've been like 1 month with this watch straight. It's a great companion, works for everything. I cannot seem to focus correctly. A little bit dirty. I'm going to clean it. But yes, this is an astonishing watch. Okay, let's see how it looks like. I will need to size the bracelet, but it really looks nice. It really looks thin with this radial brushing in the let's say the bezel. Very elegant, very versatile, much prettier than it used to look like. I mean, it's still a great watch in all respects, but now it looks, from the first view, really looks nice. Okay, now I'm going to make the unboxing of the second watch, and I'm really curious about this one because this one has a very different color, I hope. Oops, I'm going to take all these boxes away because too many boxes. Here we go. Okay, now, as we see, we have this one. I don't know if I can change the settings of the camera on the fly because I have the feeling it's a little bit dark. Let's lighten it up a little bit. Yeah, there it goes. Now, I hope this shows better the way the watch looks. Yeah, very nice. I will make a review, first impressions reviews as soon as possible once I wear it for a while. But now there it goes. This is what I'm more nervous about. Yeah, here it is. Finally here. The sandstone yellow watch, which is pretty dark. I thought that the dial wasn't going to be that dark. I don't think the camera appreciates it, but it's pretty dark. It's darker than I expected. So the colors that the web page is showing are quite accurate. This is what you can expect from this watch. But I think it's very nice too. I don't know. It's a different color. I will need to get used to it because it's very different from everything that I have, which is basically black and white lately. I wanted to have a light color watch, and I thought this was the greatest occasion because I love this blue, thermal blue hour hands and hour, minute and second hands. It's very pretty with this black surrounding of the indices, of the hour markers, and the rise numerals are more evident. So pretty elegant indeed. Let's see how it looks like with all this. Oh, the bracelet has been also improved with these pushers. But yes, here it goes. I will of course have to size it. This is going to be very different in my collection, don't you think? Well, that's it. Basically, these are the watches that I was expecting. My wife is going to use this one, the black one, and me too, of course. And this is more for me to test. And yes, I will have to sell this one and other watches to fund these ones, the new ones that I just received. Well, that is all. Thank you very much. I think it's been too long, but well, hope to see you soon in the first impressions review. Bye bye.